Your remote not working all the time, having to get closer so it'll work on your Chrysler Town Country? Stop worrying. Let's try saving you money and let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or going to a dealership and see if that is the issue. With that, I will show you step by step in this video. No special tools. All you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. Take your remote. It's spring loaded. We are going to remove the emergency blade, and when you do, it came out this side. Go right across from where it came out. There's an indentation. Pry the two halves apart, and you notice it came apart. Push down on the circuit board evenly, nothing hard, because you want to make sure it's seated before we can put it back together. If you don't have fingernails, take the tip of your key blade, pop it under that battery, and get rid of it. Now, I use good quality batteries. I'm not sponsored. This is not product placement. Take your CR2032 battery, positive side down, put it in. Make sure your little metal tangs right there are seated. Take the two halves and let's put them together. If everything's lined up, they should just snap together. Like so. Hey, if you found this video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and remember, let's stay safe out there.